Hi guys, so today we're going to make a Barbie-sized sweater out of a little glove. So what we're first going to do is cut off these two fingers, your ring finger and your middle finger. And then that is it for now. I've already tried it on my Barbie. It looked kind of weird with a ginormous bump right here from her face. But yeah, it's gonna look pretty cool. So go ahead and do that. And then we can start working on the sleeves. Alright, so this looks really weird. But now we have the hole cut for the head. And then now for the sleeves, we're gonna be taking these two and just cutting the ends off of them and trying to make them look as similar as possible. So I'll just take this, cut off the end, same thing for the other one, but this one I'm going to do slightly less since pinkies are shorter than what's it called, fingers, index fingers. Okay, now this looks more like a shirt. Oh, wow. Okay. There we go. So here we have our not very close shirt, but ta-da so far. And now, oh wow, okay. And now we can make, or I guess, just cut this thing off, the thumb off. So you want to cut it off so that it doesn't look too weird. So make sure that you're cutting on the up and down part of it, like where the lines go up. Make sure that you're cutting like there. And try not to cut off any more than you need to. Oops. I'm going to start with just sort of a little bit. Okay, and then that looks sort of weird. But then we can sort of like flip this inside out and then we'll sew that together. Hopefully that made enough sense. Alright, now you might be able to tell I haven't sewed it yet, but I'll sew it in a little bit. So take any of the fingers that you cut, probably the longest one. Yeah, this one's the longest one. So I'm going to take this one, then just cut off the little end of this. So you have it like this. You can hopefully stick your finger through it, like, yeah, like that. Then this is going to be the pocket. So, to make it look more like a pocket, I'm going to cut off the two top corners up here. Like that. Then it'll go right there. Like a little pocket. But instead of sewing it, I'm going to use my hot glue gun and put it on. Now we have the pocket on and the hole fixed. Her sweater. Your sweater is done. I also put the extra fingers on as little socks / slippers, and they actually look pretty cool. So here's your miniature / Barbie-sized sweater. Ta-da! Bye guys, please like, subscribe, and click the little bell dingy thing. Ding! Bye!